In a class of 20 students, 16 play soccer, 12 play hockey, and 2 do not play any of the 2 games. How many students play only hockey? So the first thing we have to do in this question is to write down the information given in the question. We were told that in a class of 20 students, that means the universal set is what? 20. So our N of U will be equal to 20 students. That is the universal set. Then the next information is we were told that some students play soccer. So we want to use the variable S to represent students who play what? Soccer. And the total number is 16. Okay. Then we were also given information about students who play hockey. So we want to represent students who play hockey with H. So number of students who play hockey, we have 12. Then we're given another information. Students who didn't play any of the 2 games. And we have 2 students in there. So that will be the complement of soccer and hockey. So if we put them together, that is soccer and hockey. Its complement is going to give us 2 students, because in the question it says that 2 students didn't take part. Now the next thing that we have to do is we need to find the number of students who took part in all the 2 games, of which we don't know. So we can represent the intersection of students who play soccer and hockey with a variable. So let's pick a variable X to represent that. Now we can represent this information in a Venn diagram. We can represent the information in a Venn diagram. So let's draw our Venn diagram. Since this is a 2-set problem, so our universal set is 20. We represented the intersection of the 2 sets by X. We also said that the number of students who played soccer is 16. Number of students who played hockey is 12. We also know that there were 2 students who didn't take part in the 2 games, meaning that these students wouldn't fall under the set of students who played soccer. At the same time, they can't be found in the set of students who play what? Hockey. So they will fall outside of the soccer students and then the hockey students, but they will form parts of the total number of students in the class. Okay, good. In order for us to be able to find the students who play soccer only, we will subtract the students who play both games from the number of students who play what? Soccer only. The same thing will apply to hockey only. Now the next thing that we have to do in this question is to find the number of students who play all the 2 games. So what we are going to do here is we're going to sum everything in the universal set. We will sum various regions in the universal set, then equate it to 20. That is the total number of students. So we have 2. That is for those who didn't take part in any of the 2 games. Then we're going to sum it to those who are going to play only soccer. Then we have the total number of students who play both games, that is soccer and hockey. Then hockey only. And we're saying that all this should be equal to the universal set, which is 20. Why are we doing this? We want to find the number of students who will play both games. Okay, so in summing them, we have 30 minus x equal to 20. The next thing that we have to do in here is to make x the subject. So we can send x across the equal to sign, send 20 there, and then x is going to give us 30 minus 20, and that is giving us 10. Now we need the number of students who play hockey only. Okay, hockey only. Now, hockey only from the Venn diagram is 12 minus x. Now, x is giving us what? 10 students who play both soccer and hockey. So if we can find only hockey, then we have to subtract the 10 students who play both games from the total number of students who play hockey, and that is going to give us what? 2. So we can say that 2 students play what? Only hockey. So going back to the question, we were given options in there. Looking at the options given and then the answer that we have, we say that the correct answer to the solution is what? D. If this is the first time of reaching this channel, press the subscription button to subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be updated on any new videos. You can click the channel name to go through the playlists and watch more of these tutorials on Q&A.